I felt like it was only right to finally decide to wash my hair. So that's what we're gonna do today. I don't have a lot of stuff left, so I'm gonna finish up this black castor oil, the shampoo, and the conditioner. There's not a lot of conditioner in here, but I'm gonna finish this out and use that. And then I'm hoping to retie my hair tonight while it's wet. Go ahead and do my 360 of my hair for right now. It's not dirty. There's like a little bit of buildup in these ones because when I was slicking my edges, but it's not like a crazy amount of buildup. I think this row, I can't see it, but I think this might be lint in my hair, but we'll find out when I get in the shower. Growing pretty good. I haven't had a retie in 2.5 months. 2.5 months, and yes, like right here, this much new growth on majority of them. So I think it's time for me to do a retie. And my lock in the back, these two were starting to marry, and oh my God. I know they say you're not supposed to rip your hair to separate it, but Jesus Christ, I had to help it out. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna wash my hair. But yeah, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below what you want to see next. Without further ado or ado, I'm gonna go ahead and start my hair. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, but I finished my hair. Praise God. It feels longer. Like it got some weight to it. Yeah. But yeah, this is my hair after, what is it, 2.5 months without a retie. It's growing so good. But yeah, remember, don't retie your hair dry. Always wet your hair, and your hair always shrinks before it grows. I'm a year and 3 months in now. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.